GWC Severe Weather Bulletin. Good evening. It is 7:40 p.m. on June 22nd, 2012, and this is the GWC Severe Weather Bulletin. I'm Greg Machos. Looking at the map here in New Jersey, according to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, the severe weather watches have decreased somewhat. We have approximately 6 or 7 counties in New Jersey that are no longer under a severe thunderstorm watch warning, but we still have 2/3 of the state under a severe thunderstorm watch until 9 o'clock, and that will end in approximately less than an hour and a half from now. Again, Middlesex County is still under a watch for the next hour and 19 minutes. As you can see, we still have a good deal of the mid-Atlantic covered in a watch of some sort, whether it's a severe thunderstorm warning or a severe thunderstorm watch. These are all several watches put together for each region, and these are all under the direction of the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey, which is, again, for those of you who don't know, that's in Burlington County. Actually, it's on, I believe, exit 4 on the turnpike. We'll take you down there. Anyway, let's take a look at the radar loop, courtesy of Weather Underground, and this particular loop basically covers the whole day until about 6 o'clock p.m. local time. And again, this shows the blow-up of storms that fired up during the day in Monmouth and Ocean County. And then late this afternoon, we had a line of storms develop right in here across central Jersey, and produce some severe weather here in northwestern Middlesex County. We did get some gusty winds. We had some interesting cloud features. Looked like some downdrafts were forming. We had a shelf cloud emerge prior to the thunderstorm's arrival here just before 6 o'clock p.m. local time. Winds did gust. We did have some lightning, no hail, and there was some decent rain, about a little more than 1/4 of an inch. Looking at the latest radar loop from the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, you can see a lot of the precipitation has moved offshore. We are still dealing with some severe weather down in the Philadelphia area. That would be Camden County, Burlington County, and adjacent Philadelphia County in Pennsylvania. There's also some severe weather around Trenton as well. We also have some more severe weather or some lingering showers and thunderstorms moving southeastward from southeastern Pennsylvania into Maryland, including the outskirts of Baltimore. We also still have some, I guess, some flash flood watches or warnings that were out for extreme southern Ocean County. We'll have more on that in a little bit. They got hit with a lot of rain from this storm. Let's take a look at the satellite imagery, or the satellite loop from earlier today and late this afternoon into this evening. And you can see the blow-up of storms along the eastern portion of Monmouth and Ocean County earlier today, and then you can see the line of storms begin to develop in the afternoon across eastern Pennsylvania, western Jersey, and then push through our region as the afternoon moved into the evening. Now, I'm going to take a look at an interesting map here. This is a 12-hour precipitation estimate. It's the amount of rainfall estimated to have fallen in our region over the last 12 hours. And you can see, judging by this color-coded key here, that it looks like we have an area in southeastern Ocean County, Long Beach Island area, Little Egg Harbor, Tuckerton Beach. Those areas look like they got a lot of rain, and according to some local media reports, they received anywhere from 6 to 10 inches. Again, that's according to local media reports. Now, I do have some footage of the storm pushing through South Plainfield. We also have some footage from outside GWC as well as some webcam footage, and we're going to go to that right now. First, we have some video footage from the center of town in South Plainfield, just outside of Spring Lake Park, near the rescue squad and the police station. And you can see here there are some very ominous looking clouds. We appear to have some downdrafts, and there is even one particular piece of footage that I have here of what appears to be a shelf cloud moving in ahead of the storm. We also had some flashes of lightning as well. Here's video footage taken from outside the Greg's Weather Center building, and this is when the storm really started to pick up here in northwestern Middlesex County. Now we're looking at some footage from the GWC Web Cam located in the backyard, and this is basically after the most severe portion of the storm moved through. Really had some light winds, but mostly some heavy rain falling in the wake of the severe thunderstorm that pushed through.
This has been a GWC Severe Weather Bulletin.